reflection, Naledi Entle. Loving her to a point of no return is what I am doing. Bontle is something one can't resist. If she was an angel, then one was gonna be entirely blessed by the touch of her soft hands. Naledi Entle. Almighty heavens, release more of these angels just so all men can be all happy like I am. Yes, mighty heavens, release more of these angels with head and wings. Here the smile says everything about what heavens have for us in store. Oh, how grateful I am for being blessed with this angel. Naledi Entle. Heaven and earth be my witness as I proclaim that this God didn't love us because we are lovable. We became lovable because poured some of his love to us. Love that we should share. And I choose to share it with this beautiful, well-structured person. Naledi Entle.